Namaste everyone. Today I am going to discuss with you about the third part of Yama or third practice of Yama, which is Asteya, means non-stealing. Not taking something what is not given to us freely is Asteya. Non-stealing of time, energy, non-stealing of ideas, non-stealing of credits is also a bigger picture of Asteya. Because sometimes we think we can only steal the materialistic things, but we can also steal someone's time, energy, ideas, credits, and exploit someone else. So in a world of Asteya, we should avoid stealing these things along with the materialistic things as well. How to promote Asteya in our daily life and practice? First of all, be punctual, respect the boundaries of others, respect the time given to you by others. Don't take everyone for granted in your relationships, in your workplace. Don't exploit people. Don't exploit the situation. Don't take credits for the job that you didn't do. Don't steal the ideas which does not belong to you. You can get inspiration from someone else's work, but don't steal ideas. We can get inspiration and try to add our own flavor, our own energy, our own style into it and make a different one. If you have taken some ideas, please give due credit to the person from whom you have taken, or give the reference to the book from where you have taken those ideas from. It's fair. Be fair. The sense of stealing comes when there is a sense of lack within you. So if you are happy, if you have gratitude towards the things you have, you will never have the sense of stealing, and you can develop Asteya in your life, in your yoga practice. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Have a great time. Keep practicing yoga.